Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to set up PayPal account on Gumroad. So in order to do this, first of all, log in to your Gumroad. After logging in, you'll have to navigate to the settings on your page. So on the left of your screen, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll have to choose the Payment tab that is the fourth from the left. So choose Payments under Settings and now you'll be on your Payout Method page. Now if you want to add PayPal as your payment method on Gumroad, you'll have to simply choose PayPal, that is click on this PayPal option, scroll down and add PayPal email, then choose an account type that is individual or business, add your first name, last name, address, city, postal code, country, phone number, date of birth, and after filling out all these informations, simply click on update settings at the top right corner. So after doing this, you would have successfully set up PayPal account on Gumroad. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.